Have you heard about Kadena? Probably most of us have not, because every day a new cryptocurrency appears and it's difficult to stay updated with all of them. In this video, we are going to talk about Kadena and should you invest in it. But before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. This project, which is a relatively new cryptocurrency and blockchain project, intends to fix the issues that have arisen on both the Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchains. The project has already entered a phase of rapid expansion, forming alliances with a number of other blockchain startups now operating on the market. This does not imply that Kadena is a great project, and you should continue watching to learn more about the project and whether it is genuinely worth your investment or not. What exactly is Kadena? A hybrid blockchain, Kadena aims to bring together the best elements of both Bitcoin and Ethereum in one place. According to some, the most serious problem with Bitcoin is its inability to run decentralized applications, or dApps, as well as its incapacity to scale. During this time, Ethereum has extremely high gas fees, which are gradually pushing it out of reach for most small enterprises. And this is where it enters the picture. Kadena is a blockchain that can be built upon, similar to Ethereum, while simultaneously serving as a store of value, similar to Bitcoin. When compared to Bitcoin, it uses a proof-of-work method that is built on the same Byzantine fault tolerance as Bitcoin, but it can process many chains at once, allowing it to process 8,000 transactions per second, which is a significant increase over Bitcoin's 7 transactions per second. It has been claimed that it has the capability of processing 100,000 transactions per second, however, this has yet to be shown. Aside from that, the blockchain has both private and public aspects, which makes it simple for the average person to utilize it for transactions between friends, as well as for businesses to use it to broaden their firm's services into the blockchain sphere. It is written in a specific coding language called Pact, which is unique to its name. This programming language is unique in that it can be read by people who are not developers, which makes it easier for businesses to understand what is going on with their programming. Additionally, the Pact programming language is capable of automatically detecting errors in its code, which saves developers a significant amount of time and money. Are you able to mine Kadena? Since it's a proof-of-work protocol, it has the ability to be mined, which distinguishes it from the majority of projects that have lately entered the cryptocurrency market. In addition to leaving a significant carbon footprint, mining the traditional technique, such as Bitcoin mining, also has environmental consequences, which is why so many projects are opting for the more ecologically friendly proof-of-stake consensus method. In this case, Kadena has a remedy as well. They do not mine it with a local CPU or GPU, but rather with ASIC technology that is inherent to the platform. This can be accomplished through the use of the Blake algorithm and a variety of mining pools. That sounds fantastic, doesn't it? There is one drawback, however. It is extremely expensive to put up this type of mining equipment, and the results are not particularly gratifying. Mining now requires a capital investment of approximately $55,000, with a daily wage of $370 expected to be earned by the successful miner. This means that even if everything went flawlessly, it would take months before you saw a return on your initial investment. What exactly is KDA? KDA is the native token of the Kadena blockchain, and it is used to pay for transactions on smart applications that run on the Ethereum blockchain, just as ETH is used to pay for transactions on smart applications that run on the Ethereum blockchain. In addition, if you mine it, this is the currency in which you will be compensated for validating transactional information. For those who are interested, KDA is not readily available for purchase at this time. There are rumors that it's in the process of becoming available on Coinbase, but for the time being, if you want to own the coin, you will have to purchase it through the KuCoin exchange. Partnerships with Kadena. One of the reasons for the tremendous amount of interest in it is that the company has already formed partnerships with some well-known brands in the cryptocurrency field. They've already announced prospective collaborations with companies such as Celo, Cosmos, Ledger, and Polkadot, to name a few, and they're working on a platform for non-fiber technologies, or NFTs, which are now popular. Who was the inventor of Kadena? Kadena is not a new concept, as it was first conceived in 2016, shortly after the launch of the Ethereum digital currency. Stuart Popejoy and Will Martino, who had previously collaborated on JP Morgan's blockchain token, known as JPM Coin, came up with the idea for the token. After a long period of development, the Kadena blockchain was finally able to achieve the functionality and user base necessary to establish itself as a viable competitor in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industries. This was not until 2020, however. Investing in Kadena. Is it a good idea? Now, this is a difficult question. It clearly appears to be the project that has all of the answers, and it has the potential to be the blockchain of the future, if not already. So what exactly is the problem? Well, Kadena is still in its early stages, and many of its features have yet to be tested. It's also worth noting that competition in the cryptocurrency market is fierce, and Kadena has chosen two of the most powerful blockchains to compete against. If they actually have a superior project, they will almost certainly be able to exceed Bitcoin and Ethereum in the near future, especially given the fact that they appear to have more real-world applications than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Additionally, there are certain reservations about its blockchain. The majority of them are related to the fact that its designers are a little too intimately associated with the CEFI world. They were both employed by JP Morgan, and one of them had previously worked for the Security and Exchange Commission. This indicates that, despite the fact that the blockchain boasts of decentralization, they may actually be more centralized than they are letting on at the moment. It's simply too early to tell whether it will be the blockchain that actually brings flexibility to the modern world. Therefore, any investment in it should be done with prudence, and you should be prepared to lose all of your money if you do not make a profit from it. Keep in mind that when it comes to investing in the Bitcoin market, diversification can be essential. For those who enjoy the Kadena project, there is no compelling reason not to participate. Simply be aware that this is a project that is still on the risky side of the cryptocurrency world, and that any investment in it will necessitate some additional research on your part. Furthermore, it is usually a good idea to have any investments reviewed by someone that you can trust before proceeding with them. On the other side, to further grow the KDA ecosystem, CADEX, the world's first gas-free decentralized exchange, recently formed a cooperation with Hypercent Launchpad, which will be based in Hong Kong. Both projects are anticipated to establish themselves as leaders in the decentralized finance space on the network. CADEX itself is considered to be a very strong initiative in the ecosystem, with the potential to become the face of DeFi as a result of this development. Previously, the KDA network had partnered with Decasonic, venture capital and digital assets fund, and welcomed Decasonic CEO Paul Hsu to the ecosystem as Chief Investment and Innovation Officer. Kadena, with the assistance of Decasonic, will raise funds to be used for the network's future development and expansion. Furthermore, the protocol is not only concerned with its own development, but also with bringing the greater Web 3.0 ecosystem along with it as a whole. Based on the growth trajectory and recent advances in its ecosystem, it appears that KDA may be one of the most stable projects currently operating in the cryptocurrency space. Furthermore, it's anticipated that the KDA would develop into a thriving and vibrant ecosystem over time. The cryptocurrency's long-term outlook is equally positive, with different forecasts predicting a high upward trend in the medium to long term. Well, there you have it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.